Riding my car, ain't stunting. Window down and I'm sliding. I got a pocket full of money, but niggas be thinking I'm childish. I been doing this on my own. What make you think that you can stop me? Nope. I just been getting that bag. That bag been coming too empty. Nigga, it done got heavy. Thought I had me a Simmons. Nigga making all they moves. Might as well be the Senate. Nigga, I'm like a major because I got all the trumpets.
Cari crew, what it do, man? Straight like that. You know what I'm saying? We got y'all right in the POV. And roll these windows up right quick, man, so I can talk to y'all right quick. But what it do, Cari crew, man? Welcome back to another video, man. Another POV from your boy, cari.beats, man. Like how I said in all the beginning of my videos, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. On the road to 10K. Get your boy to 10K the quick way. And as y'all can see, we're in full POV mode right now. Trying to make sure y'all can see a little handwork. But as y'all can tell by the title, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be driving Olivia in full manual mode. I mean, you know what I'm saying? This right here. I mean, they're gonna be switched all the way like that, you feel me? And we just I'm gonna drive it like shit stick, you know what I'm saying? Leave it like that, you know what I'm saying, the whole time. Even if I forget, I just be talking to y'all, whatever the case may be. I was gonna do it holding the phone, but I was like, nah, I know y'all kinda, a lot of people like to see that real, you know what I'm saying? Real deal Holyfield, you feel me? With the whole, like, you know, just seeing everything like as if you were doing it. But hopefully y'all can see it. I'm gonna let this seat back a little bit so I can like get y'all the widest view. There we go, so y'all can see, like, you know what I'm saying, what's going on. Let me get over, man. I'm gonna roll the windows back down, by the way, but make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. On the road to 10K, get your boy to 10K the quick way. And you know, we just cutting up in traffic, man, with Olivia, you feel me? As y'all can see the girl staying right there. You know what I'm saying? That's lady driven, that's crazy. She'll get gap, you know what I'm saying? She'll get gap, boy. Respectfully, get gap. Roll my window down. But yeah, man, Cari crew, man. It been 4 days since I uploaded, man. Well, 5 by the time y'all see the video. It been about 5 days, man, since I've been uploaded. And I've been missing doing it, man. Feel like I've been slacking. Feel like I ain't been doing nothing productive for real. And I don't be trying to get some kind of footing, man. Keep the consistency going, you know what I'm saying? So, hopefully the wind don't bother y'all too much either, man. Custom mode, by the way. We're not in sport or track, you know what I'm saying? Custom mode. My custom mode, my transmission is street, so it ain't really talking about nothing. I'm gonna be like how them manual drivers try to be, you know what I'm saying? Cari crew, I think about getting a manual haircut, cause they cheap, bro. And then who's like, you know what I'm saying, doing that? Who really doing that for real? I know I probably just spilled the bean and gave somebody some kind of content or whatever, but you still ain't gonna do it like me, you know what I'm saying? What I got in store, I just said the car, and you know what kind of videos I'm gonna do with it. But Cari, can y'all let me know, man, how y'all feel about that manual haircut, you know what I'm saying, challenges on the channel, man. I be saying something for the cheap, for the real cheap, man. And it's a manual, you know what I'm saying, just to be messing around. I can't really slide too much with it. I could, but it's too, I gotta learn all that, you know what I'm saying, with the clutch and all that. But as far as just doing like road racing though, on the highway and the cat, oh my goodness, that wine gonna be ridiculous, man. I know it is. But y'all let me know down in the comment, Cari crew, man, what y'all think. What y'all think about that? And I'm doing it with no gas, by the way, or under a quarter. I know y'all hear the pops, man. Y'all hit a pop car. But yeah, man, y'all let me know about that. How y'all feel about that, man? I was thinking about that for a while. I ain't never said nothing about it. That'd be hard, man. Manual cat on the tube, man. Come on. They really like consistently, like now, today, making videos. Crazy. I know I'm probably spilling the bean, giving somebody an idea, but ain't that many people with manual cats anyway to begin with. So, even though that manual probably get on my nerves after a while, but boy, hearing that whine when you be hitting them gears, man, that's crazy. That'd be crazy. I'd probably get a whole other audience then. I'd probably get a lot of Mustang fans, cause they just love manual. That's all they good. That's all they got. Besides the 10-speed. Really, the 10-speed, what they got? The manual is just something to do. Cause they just be in the way unless you like boosting and you pushing like 800 horsepower. Speaking of Mustang. downshift for no reason. Y'all be right on somebody. Oh, okay. Well, yeah, car crew, man, to give y'all a little talk noise. And Shawty trying to race or something? But when I shift it like that, though, that's just crazy. Man, do y'all hear that, man? I know y'all hear that, bro. That me barely hitting the gas, bro. Barely hitting the gas, car crew. Barely, bro. Best sounding scat, man, I'm telling you. And I'm not eating straight pipe, bro. Best sounding scat. And just you straight pipe, I mean you sound good. That just mean you basically supposed to be like the loudest, you know what I'm saying? Cause you ain't got nothing restricting. But just listen to that, man. I go undercover, I just seen. Look at that red truck by me, man. I don't know what he doing all that for with a dog cage on the back, man. Man, a serial killer, man, got a dog cage in 2022 on the back of your truck. Let me give y'all some little sound, man. I gotta take y'all somewhere I can do some rolls at. I might go this way. Yeah, man. I'm gonna give y'all a few little rolls, man. Do like a little 40. Do a little 40 rolling manual, you know what I'm saying? See how I do. I don't know if I'm gonna use this or these, but I'll probably just use this. But yeah, car crew, I just wanna give y'all a little in-traffic footage, man. Trying to be consistent, man, you know what I'm saying? I know every video gonna kinda, you know, some video gonna be, bro, look at that. She is just sitting, like, look at that. But she been, whoever that been sitting for the longest, look at Cuz. Hey, he ran the light. Hey, Cuz just ran the light. He's sitting back looking, but I thought I had a big gap where he sitting back there for like 5 seconds, bro. I think he would have been went by now for like 2 seconds. Cuz ran the light like, oh, I'm finna get mine. He must be running for somebody. He played that all real smooth. That's crazy, bro. But that just throw me off, car crew. But yeah, man. I'm just giving y'all this footage, man. Staying consistent, like I said. Every video I know, y'all ain't gonna rock with all on, depending on what's going on, the title and everything like that. But hey, man, I just want y'all to rock with me for me, you feel me? Ooh, this sun in my face. Little 40 roll. Bro, I'm not even flooring it, bro. Do y'all hear that, bro? Like, I can hear that jump off of the building over there. Like, that is crazy. Like, I can hear that jump. Like, y'all can't hear it because y'all, this is a camera, but if the camera had the same kind of, you know what I'm saying, as our ears in person, bro, that junk is crazy. Car stopped in the middle of the street. Oh, they straight. They got somebody else there with them. I don't know what that Honda truck doing behind me. Better watch out. Better watch out, boy. You're behind me with that foolishness, man. I don't like that. I ain't doing nothing wrong to you. Put it back down. Come on, sun visor, do your job. Do your job. Yeah, car crew, man, my bad. I hope that wind ain't really getting in the mic like that. I feel it, but it ain't blowing too hard in. But car crew, man. I know this video ain't really too much entertaining, man. I'm trying to. That won't really be in traffic like that. Get always just, you know what I'm saying, folks in the way. Whatever like that. You know what I'm saying? That's why we going on them outskirts, man. You know what I'm saying? Go to Mexico a little bit. In the city, whatever, but you go to Mexico, man, it's like, you got more room to kind of, you know what I'm saying, just vibe. Like everybody in your way. But a lot of people like seeing in traffic videos. I don't know why I turned that way. But I'm probably gonna end up getting me something to eat too, though. You know what I'm saying? I haven't ate for real. You know what I'm saying? So that's really why I came out of the house and I was like, why not kill two birds with one stone, man? I ain't been in Olivia in a couple of days. You know what I'm saying? We go another 5-0. I should go that way. You're lucky, boy. You're lucky. You're lucky I'm hungry. Uh-oh. It's a wide body over there. Wide body Charger. Scat with rally stripe. Matter if I had a clutch on that bit, you know what I'm saying? Matter if I had a little clutch on that, man. Just listen to that, man. Olivia sounds so good, bro. And they're not even sport mode, bro. The street mode, man. Car crew, man. That probably gonna be a wrap for the video, though. You know what I'm saying? Oh, TRX. That's crazy, bro. I be saying like 3 or 4 of them every other time I come outside. 2 black ones and a red one. But yeah, car crew, man. Y'all just make sure y'all keep running these videos up, man. Get these videos at least to 100 likes a video, bro. At least 100 likes a video, man. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can at least do that for your boy. You know what I'm saying? Give me 100 likes on each video. You know what I'm saying? Some slight. But yeah, car crew, man, like I said, they're gonna be a wrap pretty much. You know what I'm saying? I want to just get out and basically car vlog with y'all. Look at this guy. Hey, car crew, man, but like I was saying, man, make sure y'all hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button, man. On the road to 10K, get your boy to 10K the quick way. Like I said, at the end of my video, man, you got a goal you're trying to achieve. Any kind of accolade, any kind of milestone, do that milestone, do that goal, man. The sky's the limit, and you can touch it, you know what I'm saying? If all my religious folk, man, keep God first, keep him in the mix, you know what I'm saying? Build a strong relationship with him, you know what I'm saying? Just have that good bond, man. It's a good, strong relationship, man. Ask him for guidance and wisdom, and lead you on the right path you want to be led into success or whatever it is that you need to be led to, you feel me? And, yeah, man. Like I also said like in my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.